Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Taija and you are watching Taija View. And today is slightly different because this is my audition video for the James Charles casting call. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's go. So I was on YouTube a couple days ago and James Charles popped up, of course. And he's like, hey sister, I'm doing a casting call for you to be in my new show on my YouTube channel. Do you meet these requirements? So I'm like, what are the requirements? He's like, are you 18 years or older? Yes. Are you a resident of the United States? Yes. And you have to be active on YouTube. Hello. Hi, that's me. Hello. So for those that don't know me, my name is Taija. I'm 26 and I'm from Dayton, Ohio. To kind of give you a little background, it's kind of crazy because last year, all I wanted was the James Charles palette. Literally, it was sold out everywhere. So I'm like, it's not gonna happen. And my birthday came, I had a surprise party. And y'all, I opened up my gift and I had a James Charles palette. I lost it. I fell out, bawled like a baby. But when I got that palette, I'm like, this is literally all you need to make any look. Like, I went home and I made my first look with the James Charles palette. So the look I'm doing now is actually the look that I did when I got my palette. So I think it's super dope that I'm like, all of this is just like full circle for me. Last year for my birthday, I wanted the palette, got into makeup, finally started my YouTube channel. And now James Charles is doing a casting call and I'm auditioning with the first look and palette that I received. Like, if that's not aligned, I don't know what is. So a little about me, I'm super funny. Like, if you know me, I'm goofy all the time. But I'm also shy, like in a weird way, like if that makes any sense. Like, you gotta get to know me first and then I get comfortable. I'm super authentic to myself. Like, I've never changed for anybody. And I've never let anyone change me just because, like, at the end of the day, I'm left with myself. So if I'm not happy, then, you know, there's just no point. But besides the makeup part, I actually love the backside of everything. Like the editing, the planning, the algorithms, like the actual grind of it all. Like, I'm super intrigued by it. So it's not just like the fun stuff that I'm into. Like, I'm here for like the blood, sweat, and tears. You feel me? Sign me up for all of the hard work and dedication. That's me. I'm here for it. But seriously, this opportunity would be so amazing just to be like the example, you know? Like, here I am. I just started my channel and look at me now. Literally, just believe in yourself and just do it. Just start. I'm speaking it into existence. Like, this is mine. To be around top people in the industry, I will soak it all in. Whatever you have, I want it. I need it. I'm hungry. But I ain't gonna lie, let me get a call back. I'm gonna need that $50,000 for hospital bills because I'm passing out. I on the floor, done, gone. Like, I don't even know if I could handle it. But I'm still claiming it. It's mine. It's mine. I know I always say like and comment and subscribe, but literally now is the time to do so. Like, I need your support. So if you like the video, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, make sure you share. As always, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can stay along for the journey. And I'll see you next time. Bye.